What they do is they line the kids up and then they'll ask them what kind of religion they are. And if they're in a religion that they're not accepted, like a Christian, like a Protestant or something, they'll have to find a way to drop the kid. Like they'll have to tax them more, they have to let them pay more money. And they're already poor. They have no money to pay for the government or for the school, so they have to drop out, like one of my friends did.
I have an older brother in 1996. After graduate from high school, he was gonna go to college, planning to go to college, but the government would not let him go. He had to first sign the paper to promise that he don't believe in God. He don't have faith in God. But my brother did not do that, so he did not go to college.
They don't let us worship God. They said God is only the American regime to occupy our country.
In the late 1990s, a top-secret Vietnamese government directive called Plan 184 was uncovered by Freedom House, which detailed Vietnam's official policy of persecuting Christians.
Plan 184 is a very disturbing discovery. Vietnam's recent legal reforms regarding religious affairs are either being ignored by the Vietnamese security forces, or they're being used as a basis for ongoing abuses of religious freedom.
Then he said, don't believe God anymore. Just believe the Communist Party.
The Communist Party of Vietnam very much disapprove the practice of religion like Buddhism or Christian or so on. And the Montagnard people, they are Christian. And seeing these people gathering every Sunday in a small hut, little church, and practice their religion, the Vietnamese find that it's not acceptable.
And then they took all our Bible and everything in the church, and they start is they don't let us worship every Sunday.
I remember that one of the policemen arrested our preacher and handcuffed him, hit him with this a rope, I think it was bamboo tree, hit him with that, and they hit right in front of my eye. I can see my own eye, and there's a lot of children that they can see that, and I think that when I think about that, it's kind of upsetting me, and it's very sad things to remember it.
Human Rights Watch and the U.S. State Department documented widespread torture and imprisonment of Montagnard Christians. Unbelievably, the policies involved official ceremonies renouncing their Christian faith, while authorities forced Montagnards to drink rice wine mixed with animal blood.
They forced me to drink the wine. They grabbed me to drink wine, forced me to sit down, and they took him down. So I said, no, don't be like this. If you want to kill me, give me a cup of poison. I will drink anyway. If you want to kill me, that is the best way to kill. I said that. I shouted before them. And I'm very angry, and a few days ago, I felt injury. I don't live in the village anymore. If I stay in the village, I might be thrown in the jail again. I might get killed. That is why I ran away.
This refugee had spent 17 months hiding in the jungles before he was placed under UN protection in 2004. The same year, the U.S. State Department designated Vietnam for the first time on its watch list of nations who commit the most serious violations of religious freedom.
And we have specific evidence of forced renunciation. In February and March of 2005, in Glai province in Vietnam's central Thailand, security forces have detained and beaten and they have threatened religious leaders. Local officials were present at these interrogations. But there's some evidence from those involved that police from Hanoi were also present. In both cases, villagers were forced to sign pledges to abandon their faith and instructed not to hold religious meetings.